All right, a few words change the tone of a divorce or a child custody case faster than this one. Abuse. Allegations of abuse, whether physical, emotional, or otherwise, can shift the entire case in literally seconds. But here's the million-dollar question. How do courts actually look at these claims? Because trust me, it's not the TV drama version or the gasps and the gavel bangs. Let's break down what really happens when abuse allegations enter the courtroom. So why do abuse allegations matter so much? Well, child custody is based on the best interests of the child in Massachusetts. Abuse allegations cut right to the heart of that standard. A judge's first instinct isn't who's telling the better story. It's, are these kids safe? And when the word abuse is raised, the court takes it seriously. Even if proof isn't necessarily crystal clear, the allegation alone changes the stakes. And how exactly, you wonder, do judges evaluate allegations? Well, judges don't rely on gut feelings. They look for patterns and for proof. If you've got a situation involving abuse allegations, you better come prepared to court with police reports, medical records, or any other restraining orders. Judges are also going to consider testimony from teachers, neighbors, or in some situations, even therapists. Now, I will tell you that some judges are smarter than others, and if you've got a good one, they're going to clue in on inconsistent stories or suspicious timing. But here's the kicker. The court doesn't need a criminal conviction to act. A family court judge can limit custody or visitation based on credible evidence alone. Translation, even whispers can echo loudly in family court. Now let's talk about when allegations are true versus weaponized. Let's be real, some allegations are tragically true, and in those cases, it's the court's job to shield kids, set safe boundaries, and make sure parenting time is structured. And sometimes that means it's going to be supervised. But yes, there are also weaponized claims. People sometimes play the abuse card to gain leverage or to get even against the other parent. Judges know this. They're trained to separate genuine danger from courtroom strategy. And if they catch you exaggerating or lying, your credibility just went out the window. And with it, maybe your shot at custody or more parenting time. So what do courts actually do in these situations? Well, here's what can happen if abuse allegations surface. Temporary custody orders can shift overnight. Visitation can become supervised. Think parenting time at a visitation center and with someone watching. The court can order therapy classes. And in some situations, custody can be stripped entirely. Judges are cautious. They'd rather inconvenience a parent than risk a child's safety. That's the brutal math of family court. Now let's break down the do's and the don'ts. Number one, don't ignore an allegation. Even if it feels ridiculous, the court will take it seriously. You need to respond with evidence, not outrage. Number two, do not try to fight it on social media. Judges do not appreciate seeing your rant on Facebook or Instagram. And number three, don't think you can out-yell the other side. Court is about facts, not volume. Show records, show consistency, and show stability. Abuse allegations in custody and divorce cases aren't just side notes. They can redefine the entire case. Judges aren't looking for perfect parents. They're looking for safe environments for kids. So if you're facing this, whether you're the one raising concerns or defending against them, remember, it's about showing the truth with evidence, not drama. Because in family court, credibility is everything. I'm Ellen Wright, and if you think family law is messy, you're right. But with the right guidance, even the toughest cases can find a path forward. And no, a judge isn't swayed by who can cry on cue. That's Hollywood, not Massachusetts.